All right, today we're gonna shoot the Gen 6. I just got this. Feels pretty good. Trigger seems pretty good. It's the Glock 17 Gen 6. Very iconic gun, pistol. The 17 and 19. This is the 17, so a lot of duty departments have it. Now I do not have the. I'm gonna put a Trijicon R&R on it yet, but I haven't gotten that yet. But yeah, that's the plan. What I'm gonna do today is we're gonna compare it. I haven't shot it yet. It'll be the first time I shoot it. I'm gonna compare it against my Smith & Wesson M&P. And the reason why I'm comparing these two guns is this is my bedside gun. It's a little big to be a carry gun, so it is my bedside gun. This does have the Trijicon on it, and we're going to compare it against our good old Glock 17. And this is Gen 6, so it's got all the upgrades on it, and we'll see how they do. So first, I'm going to put my ears in, got my eyes on. The target's a little chewed up, so we're just going to leave it on the ground there. It's pointing away, so it should ricochet to the right. But first, we're going to do the Smith & Wesson M&P. Almost every single shot made contact. So that's the S&P the Smith & Wesson M&P. Very accurate, very reliable. All right, a little cheating because it does have the RMR. Now we're going to do the Glock 17. First time shooting. I do like the reset, that trigger reset. It's nice. It's a nice gun. Somebody got a machine gun. Sounds like a 308. Yeah, it's really good, man. Very impressed. We'll put a couple more magazines through it. All right, we did a comparison with the Smith & Wesson M&P, and it feels great. So what we're going to do now is that there is a mag well on here that's a little flared out. That's for putting in the magazine, making it easier, where the M&P does not have that. So we'll see how the we're going to do a magazine change on this one. So we got 3 mags, a couple rounds in each. And we'll see how easy it is dropping and replacing that mag. So here we go. Yeah, nice and easy, very smooth. I like it, man. I really like it. Definitely a improvement. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to compare the recoil management. And first I'm going to do the S&W, the Smith & Wesson MP5s. Recoil, and I have to say, with the RMR, it is a little bit harder than with iron, at least in my opinion. But we'll see. And this does have the threaded barrel. It came with the compensator, but I don't have the compensator barrel on right now, the threaded one. So it's going to be a pretty going to get some kick to it, because it is a little bit longer, I believe. So we'll go through a mag dump, or we'll just do rapid fire, and then we'll do it with the Glock 17. See how it works. As you can see, the gun was kind of jumpy. Let's try the Glock 17. Not horrible, but both guns are pretty controlled. I wouldn't say there's a winner or a loser between that. But yeah, the Glock 17 Gen 6. It's a nice pistol. I would definitely put my hands in its life. My life in its hands, sorry. All right. The final challenge is between the M&P, the Smith & Wesson M&P, and the Glock 17 Gen 6 is the 100-foot challenge. So the target I put, give or take, about 100 feet out there. We got 5 rounds in each magazine. We'll try to shoot that target. Will I hit it once, twice, 3 times, or will I just hit it 0? Maybe I won't hit anything with either gun. And it is basically up to me with my skill set, which is medium, I would say. So we'll see. Eyes and ears on. 100-foot challenge. 5 rounds each, starting with the Smith & Wesson M&P. And these are both 9mm, in case anybody was wondering. 100-foot challenge. Last one. Oh, we got one more. Did I do 6? I don't think I hit it at all, although I got my ears in, so if it dinged, I didn't hear it. All right, now the Glock 17 Gen 6. So I won't really know if I hit it till I watch the video, because I can't hear the ding because I got my ear protection on. But we'll see. That was the last challenge. The Glock 17 and Gen 6, awesome pistol. I really like it. Definitely did some improvements. So that dude pulled up beside me and he's like, hey, can I pick up all your brass? And I'm like, yeah, man, have at it. And I told him, I was like, it's only a 9mm 5.56 and 300 blackout. And I asked him, I said, you reloading it? And he says, no, reselling it. I said, oh, that's pretty cool. He said it's for the brass, he gets $2.75 a pound, and it's not bad. It's a lot of brass. You got to pick up a lot, but you know, Saturday or Sunday, got nothing else to do, and you know, the people out here shooting, they don't want to pick it up themselves. This guy comes by and cleans up the desert for you, and he makes money on it. So that's the cycle right there, dude. I kind of knew that there were people out here that did that, but that was the first time I actually came across someone who actually does it. So yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, the ants of the human race cleaning up after us.